What do you want to do when you grow up? I just want to be alive. That's Carl Stokes. That's the SHORTY program, self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. I gave you economic development. I gave you political. I gave you medical. I gave you environmental. I gave you education. I gave you careers, not jobs, religious, healthcare, medical. All right, construction, business, real estate, horticulture. And I gave you this program, visual and performing arts, political involvement, photography, journalism, technology, law and design, sports and cultural exchanges. I gave you Mayor Brandon Scott and it's notarized from 2012. Been doing a documentary about you since 2006. And this is 2025. These are our elected officials. I'm a black Republican. I'm a black radical Republican, and the Freedom Party don't want no part of me. I was taken off the ballot because I wanted to address racism, all right? Racism don't work without black cooperation, but it ain't gonna end without white participation. Remember that? Because racism is something that belongs to white people. These are elected officials, all right? Delegate Pasteur knows me very well. I'm a little brother. Delegate Card and Senator Heddleman. Well, Kaylin Young just wrote a letter to the Attorney General asking for exoneration, or talking about exoneration. I need exoneration of the Supreme Court. Making a documentary about our elected officials ain't against the law. It's the 2025 session. It's the 90 days of SHORTY. President Trump and SHORTY. From your first go-round. This is evidence and artwork, all right? That toilet represents how you treat the black community. You treat us like shit. That's me. I'm the chairman, the president. I own SHORTYs. I own all parts of me. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. I was kidnapped from my family like y'all did Emmett Till. This is Jim Jordan from the House Judiciary Committee. I'm asking for exoneration of the Supreme Court. That's Governor Wes Moore. It's Governor Wes Moore. That's notarized. I'm a weaver in Baltimore, weaving the social fabric. We're going to say goodnight to racism and hello to freedom. Go to Governor Wes Moore and get my paperwork. Goodnight to racism and hello to freedom. That's the Constitution Day. That's Steny Hoyer. That's Governor Hogan. And that's Governor Wes Moore. That's the state of Maryland, weaving. All right? That's a Weaver citation from the Governor Hogan. Governor Hogan gave me that. I'm a member of Out for Justice, and it ain't going to be just us no more. I want exoneration of the Supreme Court. I seen Quasi. I seen Also Brooks. I seen Johnny Oleski. And right here, that's Jim Jordan from the House Judiciary Committee. Kwesi Mfume, member of Congress. So I'm looking for the House Judiciary Committee to give me a day in court. I want to testify. Operation Greylord, we're going to take the footsteps for justice. That's David Trone, criminal justice reform. That's Natasha from the Public Defender's Office. That's Governor Wes Moore. That's community chess. Johnny Oleski got this. Right here on February the 19th. All right, that's Brooke Learman. That's Johnny Oleski and Bill Ferguson. That's Governor O'Malley and the money that you make off black bodies. That's Brooke Learman. Also Brooks. All right? See the big picture here? And that's notarized. So, Brooke, I need you to answer that. The 2025 session is ending, and you never responded to that. Adrian Jones, I need you to respond to that. Assel Brooks, I need you to respond to that. Mikulski, all your paperwork. It's Women's History Month. We're going to show you some women's history. That's the Maryland prison industry. O'Malley and Brown's money machine. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Everything I've been doing since 2006. Right here's a breakdown. Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? That's Also Brooks. That's Adrian Jones and Mayor Brandon Scott. Racism don't work without black cooperation. Remember that.